Hey there! Today, we're diving into how to clean shoes. Whether it's mud, scuffs, or stains, I'll guide you through step by step to get your kicks looking as good as new. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First, take a close look at your shoes. Are they canvas, leather, suede, or synthetic? Different materials need different approaches. For example, leather is sensitive to water, so you'll want to clean it carefully with minimal moisture. Suede needs special tools like a suede brush to avoid damage. Always check for cleaning instructions on the label inside your shoe, just to be safe. Create a cleaning solution. For canvas, synthetic, or fabric shoes, mix a small amount of mild laundry detergent or dish soap with warm water in a bowl. If you're cleaning white shoes, add a teaspoon of baking soda to the solution for extra stain removal power. Why baking soda? Experts, including those from the American Cleaning Institute, recommend it as a natural deodorizer and mild abrasive. It's highly effective for lifting stains without damaging these materials. Note: avoid this method for leather or suede shoes, as water and detergents can damage their texture. Use material-specific cleaning methods instead. We have a video that shows you specifically how to clean suede shoes. Check it out. The link will show up on your screen right about now. Tackle the soles. Cleaning the soles first ensures that dirt and debris don't get onto the cleaned uppers during the process. The method depends on the type of sole material, but here's a general approach. For rubber or synthetic sole, use a stiff bristled brush or an old toothbrush to remove loose dirt and debris. Pay attention to grooves and textured areas where dirt tends to accumulate. Mix a small amount of dish soap with warm water in a bowl. Dip the brush into the soapy water and scrub the soles thoroughly, focusing on stained or discolored areas. For stubborn stains, sprinkle a little baking soda onto the sole and scrub it in circular motions with the damp brush. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive and helps lift tough marks. Wipe the soles with a damp cloth to remove soap and residue. For white rubber soles. For brightening white soles, a magic eraser works wonders. Simply dampen the eraser and rub it over scuffs or stains. For deeper cleaning, mix a paste of baking soda and water, apply it to the sole, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before scrubbing and wiping clean. For specialty soles, foam, Vibram, etc. For foam or performance soles, avoid harsh scrubbing as it can damage their structure. Use a soft bristled brush and a gentle cleaning solution. Wipe with a damp cloth to remove dirt and soap, and let air dry. If the soles are extremely dirty, you can clean them separately in a utility sink or basin before moving on to the uppers. This extra step keeps the cleaning solution fresh and ensures no dirt gets transferred. Once the soles are clean and dry, proceed to clean the uppers following the material-specific methods. This approach ensures a thorough and efficient cleaning process. Clean the upper. Properly cleaning the uppers of your shoes depends on their material, as each requires a specific approach to prevent damage while removing dirt and stains effectively. For canvas or fabric shoes, dip a soft bristled brush or clean cloth into your cleaning solution, mild detergent or dish soap with warm water. Wring out the excess solution. You want it damp, not dripping. Gently scrub the uppers in circular motions to lift dirt and stains. For deeper stains, reapply the solution and let it sit for 5 minutes before scrubbing again. For synthetic shoes, follow the same steps as for canvas shoes, but focus on areas where dirt is embedded in creases or seams. Use a magic eraser or sponge for plastic or rubber accents to make them look new. For leather shoes, avoid soaking leather, as water can stain or warp it. Instead, dampen a microfiber cloth lightly with the cleaning solution. Wipe the uppers gently in small, circular motions. For scuffs, apply a leather cleaner or polish after cleaning to restore shine and protect the material. Buff the surface with a clean, dry cloth for a polished finish. For suede shoes, avoid water entirely, as it can damage suede's texture. Use a suede brush to remove loose dirt and restore the nap, the fuzzy texture. For tougher stains, gently rub with a suede eraser or a pencil eraser. If needed, use a suede-specific cleaner, applying it sparingly and brushing the nap back into place afterward. For knit or mesh shoes, use a soft cloth or toothbrush dipped in the cleaning solution to clean the delicate fabric. Be extra gentle to avoid stretching or tearing the material. Let them air dry, ensuring the shape is maintained by stuffing them with paper towels. Always test cleaning solutions on a small, inconspicuous area first, especially for sensitive materials like leather or suede, to ensure no discoloration or damage occurs. Special care for white shoes. For stubborn stains on white canvas or rubber, mix equal parts white vinegar and baking soda to form a paste. Apply it to the stains, let it sit for 15 minutes, then gently scrub and rinse. The power of this duo has been supported by cleaning experts like the Good Housekeeping Institute, which tested it as an eco-friendly and effective way to remove tough stains. We have a video that shows you specifically how to clean white shoes. Check it out. The link will show up on your screen right about now. Once your shoes are clean and dry, consider applying a protective spray to repel water and stains in the future. This is especially helpful for suede and leather shoes. And there you have it, sparkling clean shoes that look brand new. Cleaning your shoes doesn't just keep them looking good, it extends their lifespan, saving you money in the long run. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with friends, and drop a comment below. What's the worst shoe mess you've had to tackle? Let's chat.